Okay, finally the big tree near the house is coming down. I've got the gob cut here. Hopefully the tree will fall this way. It was leaning back that way towards the house over there, but I've wedged it over with a few big wedges. So I've managed to lift it up there by a few inches, which makes all the difference. And we've got a rope tied to the tree. It's not as high as I'd like it, and a bit of steel cable, and then it's on a tri-4 winch down there. So Rory's got that winch tight, so hopefully, please God, it'll all go according to plan. And Rory's going to take over here from now. This is Rory. Hi Rory.
Hi Liam, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Will you take over this operation? Thanks. Stay safe.
I'll work below you. Right. Now Liam is going saw the tree again. He's ready to cut another few bits around the side of it, so it should be coming down now shortly. He's hammering in more wedges there at the minute now to tighten it up more. It's quite a pleasant day here today, very low wind and very calm. Now he's preparing to start the saw. Now the tree is going to fall, it's coming down. The tree is after landing there on the ground now. You might have heard a big smash. What? Another successful tree cut down by Liam Gavin and Co. My God.
Get up here, Rory, and we just...
Huh? What?
Aaron, did you see the tree?
Wasn't that pleasing, didn't it?
Huh? Well, there's the devastation. There's the bird's nest in the middle, and there's me hinge. Nice hinge. Well, that was great. Now, good result there. All right.
Oh, wasn't it pleasing, didn't I? Was standing here below, you nearly think I was going to come across you.
You would.
So it's better get moving.
Well done, Rory. Thank you.
That's a big blooming tree.